I wanted to show some hints when you install Oras Nova. This is all that I have installed today. Okay, when you install thermostat, left side is always hot water and right side is cold. Remember that. And when you install this piece, don't forget to screw this screw that prevent it from wobbling from side to side. Let's show. Okay. When you install your shower, you need to drill 2 holes 8 millimeters. Then you need to assemble all of this in one piece and slide it in. This piece then fixes with this screw, and then this decorative piece goes up there like this. If you want to remove this, you need to just slide, and you can slide it down like this. Shower is with 3 positions. 1, 2, 3, and it's regulated like this. And there is this piece which it regulates very hard. You need to some sort of force. Okay, and there is a tray. This tray is with this piece of plastic, and then when you move it up, it fixes the tray to place. And when you need to move it, you need to move this plastic piece down, then you can move all tray and fix in place.